The Recycling Challenge. Only makes you strong when we waste it. But if we recycle, reuse, and reduce, your power disappears. The monster roared, stomping through the meadow. You can't stop all the trash. But this time, the children of Sunnyvale came running with their own bins, bags, and ideas. Some picked up litter, some planted trees. Others turned old jars into lanterns and cardboard boxes into playhouses. The pollution monster shrank with every recycled item. His plastic arms melted away. His smoky belly shriveled. And finally, poof, he vanished into thin air. A promise for the planet. A meadow was clean again. The river sparkled blue. Professor Owl perched proudly. You've shown everyone that even small paws and little hands can make a big difference. The Little Paws smiled at the children. Remember, said Mila, reduce waste first, then reuse, then recycle. Every choice you make helps the earth, added Lulu. And when we work together, Benny grinned, we're stronger than any monster. That night, under the stars, the Little Paws made a promise. We will always protect our planet, one paw, one hand, one choice at a time. Moral of the story. Even the smallest actions, like putting a bottle in the right bin, planting a flower, or reusing a bag, add up to big changes for the planet. Together, kids, parents, teachers, and even tiny paws can save our Earth from pollution. The end.